Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So today's video is going to be my unboxing and review of my first ever BoxyCharm subscription. So this is in the month of March, and the reason why I order it is because honestly of the Cover FX palette. So I will unbox it for you guys. I will insert the original clip the first time I have unboxed it, so you guys can literally feel the excitement that I have. And then after that, I will use it on my face, of course, and give you guys my overall thoughts. So sit backs. Oh my gosh, I can never make this video perfect like shit. So sit back, oh my god, I said it again. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. So, now they say that if you purchase your box like after March 9, then you will be getting like a different box. I ordered mine March 1, so hopefully I get what I am expecting that I would get. So here it goes. I'm actually really nervous. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes, I got the box that I was expecting. Now let's take a look inside and see what's up. And what was it? Cover FX, Launder Beauty, Lift Off Brightening Peel Off Mask, Moda Brush, Liquid Lipstick, Blue Mascara. That's the only thing that I don't like, the mascara, because I'm not a mascara person. Some people get like the liquid eyeshadow. That was actually what I'm hoping for, but nonetheless, I am pretty happy, and let's see how this one goes. There's the Moda brush. I always see that at Walmart, and the value of that one is, where is that? $29, really? That's expensive. I mean, to me, that's really expensive, because a while ago I reviewed brushes from Burlington, right? And that was just like $24.99 for like 24 brushes. But let's see, maybe this one will last like 10 years. I don't know, only time will tell. I have the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask and the mascara. I actually love the design of this one. It's like twisted and shit, just like my life. And then we have the Ofra Liquid Lipstick. So I am a medium skin tone girl. Is it really like this? Like no cover? No, I mean no box. Just asking. Okay, Starlight highlighter, Light Me. Yay! I got the right one. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Even though I feel like I bought something from AliExpress, it still came, and it's what I'm expecting it to be. So, it's so beautiful, and it's like, wow. Look at this finishing powder. Kind of looks like a highlighter, but can't wait to try this one out. So the first product that I would like to use is from Wander Beauty, and yes, this is their Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This retails for $34. I know it is insane. And it actually took me more of like 30 minutes for my whole entire face to completely dry. I tried to put a thin layer, however, it doesn't really work. I feel like it's a little bit difficult to, spread it all over your face. And also the reason why I went very generously is because for me to take it off effortlessly. So far so good. I actually love the feeling of my skin afterwards. The question is, do I feel like my face was brightened afterwards? Yes, I really do think that my face was brighter after use. But for $34, let me know if you are willing to spend that amount. For me, I do spend that amount when it comes to my skin, because I feel like we only have one face, and it's not really that bad to spend a little bit when it comes for yourself. Now, don't get offended if I tell you that I have not heard about Wander Beauty at all. I want to know what they are famous for, but for a peel-off mask, I haven't really purchased anything in this price range. I have purchased like some $50 facial mask, but that one is more of like, glycolic peels or something like that. But yeah, I feel like this one is pretty decent. It's not bad at all. Okay, now let's move on to the next product. So we have the Mana Kadar Bloom Mascara. So let me just read what it says here. It says, Mana Kadar's Bloom Mascara delivers an intense lengthening and volumizing effect to your lashes. Its cruelty-free formula has a built-in primer. Wow, that is nice. and make sure it grabs those hard to reach lashes. The round tip works to ensure an easy application without leaving any clumps behind. I must say that, oh, by the way, this is $29. I know it is, to me, that is way beyond my budget, but come to think of the fact that I got it on a BoxyCharm, I felt like I had hit a jackpot in my life. Now, I don't usually spend that amount when it comes to my mascara. I would probably spend like $18 or $24, but $29 is different. So I was actually thinking, like, in the back of my head whether I should give this one to somebody else because they might enjoy it, because if you guys know me, mascara is something that I don't really buy because I don't really have lashes to begin with, so mascara is not really something that really interests me the most. But hey, if it lengthens my lashes as what it states to be, then I'm gonna be pretty happy with it. So I've decided to try this one out because it's not gonna make any sense, like you said there, you're gonna do a review and then all of a sudden you're not gonna try anything else. So let's go ahead and open it up. That is such a beautiful wand. I've never seen a wand like this before. Let me show you. Seriously, I've never seen a wand like this before. It is so unique. And let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Okay, I'm gonna zoom myself in so you guys could see the before and after. I'm gonna close my eyes and look downward so you guys can see. Do you guys see any difference? Oh, perfect. Just exactly what I need. Okay, now that I'm done using the mascara, what do I think about it? I feel like what it did is that it coated every single hair in my lashes, but they look exactly the same, but they look a little bit thicker and no clumping, and it doesn't look very lengthy, but I feel like they are fuller. So with that, I'm actually pretty happy with it and I'm not mad. I was actually really hoping that I would get the liquid eyeshadow in gold and what is that, like bronze, because every YouTuber that I watch, that's what they got. So I was thinking that, you know what, hooray, I'm gonna get that one too, but I didn't. So I got a mascara instead, but I'm not mad. Considering that the value of this one is expensive, I'm absolutely fine with it. And besides, the mascara that I have been using recently is about to, I feel like I've used it and abused it for many times and it's almost dried out, so I think this was a perfect timing. So if you are that type of person who is looking for a very natural looking mascara effect, then this is for you. So the next product that I got from my BoxyCharm this month is this Moda brush set. So it comes along with one powder brush and one highlighting brush, but pretty much you can use them however you wanted to, but this is what they look like. It's very lightweight, and this is actually $29. That actually shocked me a little bit because I felt like Moda brushes is more of like a drugstore brand, but for $29, I felt like they are as close to IT brushes at all time, not gonna lie. So to me, this is more of like, I would consider their pro line. I do have Moda brushes, and let me tell you, I had them for like 2 years, so if they wanted to price this one for $29, so be it. I can't tell you right now if I wanted to give you guys my go signal because I just got them and I have used them for just like once, so I will let you know my thoughts as I use them. So this is actually such a good powder brush. It is so soft. It's amazing. I feel like my face is being relaxed or massaged every time I use it. I don't know, I have like a weird feeling about them, but this one, I'm not so sure because this is flimsy as hell. It is, some people may like it. It has a very soft approach to the skin. So I think if you are that type who just wants like a very, you know, natural soft glow, then this is something that I would highly recommend. And I usually use these types of brushes to contour my face, but let's give it a whirl. So the next product that I got from my kit is this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monaco. So it has like a metallic finish. If you're going to ask me, I'm not really a fan of metallic finishes, just so because I have yellow teeth due to coffee, and I feel like if it's metallic, it draws attention to my teeth, and I personally don't like that. So I feel like if I have veneers or if my teeth are like white, I would enjoy these, but it's a personal preference, like I get that, but of course I will use it for you guys. So this is what the applicator looks like, and it smells like buttercream. It actually smells exactly like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, so just go ahead and try it on. This is actually my first time owning a product from Ofra Cosmetics, and I must say that this liquid lipstick formula is very lightweight. In this specific color, I can tell that it is a little bit sheer, so if you want like a full color like this, I would suggest that you give it 2 coats. And I have tried this last night, and I must say that it lasts a long time as well. And of course, if you eat something oily, then it tends to get removed. It doesn't stain my lips or anything like that, but I really love how comfortable this is, so now I'm actually interested to try some of their matte formulas. Maybe that's something that I might be interested in, but overall, I really love how comfortable this is. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely feels and smells like 100% like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So let me know your thoughts about this one. What is your favorite shade from their line? And as always, I love knowing your thoughts and opinions, so yeah. Now let's go ahead and talk about the highlight of this box. The reason why this box was sold out, in my opinion. Okay, so this is the this is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. So I got the shade light medium. Thank God I got the right shade. But I feel like even though I get like the other shade, like the darker one, I don't mind because I'm always in the middle of between. So this one contains 2 highlighters, 1 blush, 1 bronzer, and 1 setting powder or finishing powder. Now this one is what they call a brightener, but in my opinion, it's more of like a highlighter as well. So I would consider this as like 3 highlighters, 1 finishing powder, 1 bronzer, and 1 blush. So let's go ahead and try this one out. Now for the contour, I must say that yesterday when I tried it out without any foundation, it did not show. So I was actually hoping that it will show this time if I have like coverage, a little bit of coverage on my face. So let's give it a whirl. Now I already applied a little bit of foundation off screen, and now we are going to grab some of this product using the motor brush that is included in this package and apply that all over the face. Now when you look at the finishing powder, it has a little bit of shimmer into it, but don't get scared because once you use this product, it is untraceable and it really gives you that beautiful glow from within. I absolutely love this finishing powder, and I actually am very happy and glad that it is included in the palette. It is amazing. It's so lightweight, and I guarantee to you guys that if you use a full coverage foundation, it would be perfect because it's not going to look cakey at all. Moving on to the bronzer or contour powder. It's a little bit sheer, so in my case, I have to build it up. For your reference, again, I am an NC35 or NC30. And this is what the bronzer looks like on my skin. So it is very natural. And if you are that type of person that you want something that is more of like, you know, shaping your face, this is not something that you might like. But if you are that person who just, you know, wants something very simple and soft, then this is something that you would definitely like. So again, I have a medium skin tone. So you guys have like a visualization on what it's going to look like. So I did one side first so you guys could see the before and after. I just had to dance a little bit because I'm liking the music. Now using the highlighter brush, I am going to get this shade of the highlighter. It's more of like the gold in the pan. And I'll show you guys how it does apply on my skin. So this type of brush doesn't really have any density into it. So this is what it looks like. I'm trying my very best to make it pop, but it's just it's just really not. So I think this is going to be perfect if your highlight is used. So I actually have another brush that I typically use for my highlight. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the exact same highlight. And then I'm going to apply that on the exact same spot where I have put my highlight. So with this type of brush, you can actually get the product even better. And also has to do something with my skin, I believe, because I feel like it is very close to my skin tone. I'm not trying to make excuses, but it's not, you know, sparkly or, you know, shimmery enough. Maybe that's just me. So I went ahead and used the brush again to apply the rose gold highlight. And as you guys can see, it is very natural, soft, and glow. So I feel like I love the rose gold better because it shows up more on my skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and use another brush. I actually have two just in case. So I'm going to put the one aside and use the clean one. And grab this highlighter right over here. And apply that again on the highest pane of my face right here. Boom. That was easy. You guys see that? There we go. I think I overdid it. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, I'm just staying at home. Nobody knows me. So I'm going to use this one on the other side of the brush and apply that on the center of my nose. Told you, it kind of looks like a highlight. And then I'm just going to contour my face afterwards. I mean my nose afterwards. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the blush, and I would like to give this brush one more chance in life. And if you have very pigmented blushes, I think this brush would be perfect. Oh yeah, oh hell yeah. I feel like this brush is actually super perfect for blushes. And this is the final makeup look, guys. I know you guys don't like the stupid faces when it comes to like makeup tutorials, so I'm gonna go ahead and do them. Okay, so now that we are done playing with all of the goodies that is included in this box, I would say that my experience with BoxyCharm is amazing, even though the box took so much time. That's the only thing that I don't like is the shipping. I felt like I bought something from AliExpress or Wish. You know, it takes so much time. But considering the fact that it's just $21 with the amount that you are going to get, I think it is amazing. I think, oh my gosh, I love it so much, and I can't believe I just tried them now. This is definitely the best box ever so far in, you know, BoxyCharm history, because I've been watching these unboxing of the BoxyCharm, so I'm very, very pleased with it. Even though it took 3 weeks to get here, I'm still happy. So I'm just really glad that it came earlier before I went out on that day. Otherwise, it's going to literally destroy my birthday. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Let me know in the comment box down below. Are you a BoxyCharmer? Is that what it's called? Do you guys love BoxyCharm? Why or why not? What type of subscription do you have? And yeah, I upload every day. Just turn your post notifications on. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on one of my boring videos. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!